fuck?
Right, so I've just made a bit of a mistake, which shouldn't be too much of an issue. Essentially, I've just cut this hole, this like slit here when I wasn't meant to. I was meant to get the one down here, which I did as well, but I just got carried away and just wasn't thinking and just lost concentration for a split second. And yeah, but it's all good because the main rail was this side. I don't think it would be too much of a problem. I'm just gonna have to be careful of that weakness there. But I guess that's all part of it, just making silly mistakes here and there and just finding ways around it.